Today I'm going to be talking about the top scleroderma symptoms, as well as some pretty nifty ideas on treating this ailment. Now before I get started, down below you'll notice there's a link where I'm giving away a free video-based guide all about using various supplements and herbal medicines out there. Now to help you understand what scleroderma really is, let's kind of break down the word, because it sounds a little complicated, right? Well, it actually comes from two Greek words, sclero, meaning hard, and derma is the skin. Think of like a dermatologist, right? So as you can probably imagine, one of the top symptoms is someone's skin becoming hard. But apart from the skin, it can also negatively impact someone's organs, insides, and that's not cool as well. What happens is with this ailment is someone's immune system actually starts attacking the good guys and not the bad guys out there. This is called an autoimmune disorder. You might be thinking, wow, this is horrible. How does someone get this health problem and how can I avoid getting it? Well, the unfortunate news is the smartest people out there aren't exactly sure what causes this condition, but they do have a couple ideas. Now, one thing that's really pretty interesting is just like multiple sclerosis, which is also an autoimmune disorder, women get this ailment much more than guys do, which is pretty strange. Maybe it has to do with hormones or something. Some experts feel that as much as 6 out of 7 patients are actually women with scleroderma. So it's very unfortunate. Other ideas on what causes this problem would be certain drugs, environmental factors, as well as genetics. You're just born with this unlucky card in there you have to play with. Now, of course, apart from the hardening of the skin, that's one of the earliest signs. Another thing about the skin is it could look kind of shiny because it's hard and maybe kind of tough to move. Another thing that can happen is swelling or puffiness in the fingers or toes. That can also turn white very easily when affected by cold weather, even some air conditioning. Another thing that could take place is red spots in someone's face, palms, fingers, even the tongue. The reason for these red spots is because little blood vessels, they're always dilated and they make these little marks everywhere. So that's one sign indicator. And lastly, it is true this ailment can definitely affect a person's insides, and when that happens, obviously it's not a good thing. A person could experience pain with the whole digestive system and problems really absorbing the healthy nutrients. And of course, if this ailment affects the heart or lungs, then that's very bad, and it is life-threatening, so you definitely need some serious medical condition. Now, when it comes to treating this health problem, if you're a smoker, you probably should stop, even if you, of course, don't have this condition. Now, the reason why is because tobacco restricts blood flow and it can make the conditions worse. Also, avoiding cold weather is probably a good idea. And some medical experts feel that many people with this condition are deficient in vitamins D and plus vitamin E, and getting a supplement for these vitamins can be so helpful because the reality is a lot of people are deficient in vitamin D. Even though you can't get it from the sun, well, a lot of people work indoors and we on the computer, we watch TV, so there you go. Now, if you're interested in dietary supplements and herbal remedies, like I mentioned earlier, I do have this whole video guide that can really help somebody in the process of shopping for them, because they can be kind of confusing, and the reality is, well, the marketplace is somewhat unregulated, so it's not the wild west in American culture. Companies can say what they want, and well, the only person who really cares about you is you, so you should protect yourself, and this guide can help you do that. It also shares some other alternative medicines like detoxes and some weird funky kind of treatment options and nifty things you can do with your health. So I'm pretty excited about it. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And if you're wondering if you think it's gonna cost you a bunch of money, well, the cool thing is it's free. So why not check it out? And you can easily learn more a lot about this free guide by just simply clicking on the link right below the video I created for you. And I hope this video might have helped a couple of people. I appreciate your time. Please leave any feedback and thoughts you may have. I love those. Until next time, cheers, and you have a great, awesome day. Bye.